Hello students, welcome to MJC Learning. In this video, we are going to discuss the subject Secretarial Practice for Standard 12. And also, today we'll learn a new topic in the chapter Issue of Shares. Transfer of shares. Students, when a member voluntarily means willingly transfer his shares to another person is called transfer of shares. इसका मतलब है जब कोई मेंबर अपने मर्जी से अपना शेयर किसी और पर्सन को सेल कर रहा है, दे रहा है, उसे कहते हैं ट्रांसफर ऑफ शेयर्स. In transfer of shares, there are two parties involved. That is, member who is called transferor and buyer who is called transferee. Means, जो पर्सन अपने मर्जी से अपना शेयर सेल कर रहा है उसे कहते हैं ट्रांसफरर, और जो पर्सन उस मेंबर से वो शेयर्स बाय कर रहा है उसे कहते हैं ट्रांसफरी. Students, transfer of shares, it is done by filling instrument of transfer. Instrument of transfer ये वो लीगल डॉक्यूमेंट होता है जो ट्रांसफरर और ट्रांसफरी के बीच डील होती है, साइन होती है शेयर ट्रांसफर के लिए. And along with that, share certificate has to be submitted for transferring the shares. Also, stamp duty has to be paid on transfer of shares. Refusal to transfer of shares. Students, refusal means to reject. Board of Directors have power to refuse, that is, to reject registration of transfer of shares. Yes, students, the board may refuse registering the transfer under the following conditions, such as if the instrument of transfer is not as per the rules of the Companies Act. It means instrument of transfer is not proper or not completing the rules prescribed under the Companies Act. Also, if share certificate is not attached with the instrument or incomplete information is there, so the board can refuse the transfer of shares. Students, sometimes shareholder make blank transfer. It means shareholder sign a share transfer form without filling the name of transferee and hands it over with share certificate to the transferee is called blank transfer. Also, sometimes there is a forged transfer. Forged means fake. Instrument on which the signature of the transferor is forged is called forged transfer. In such case, it is null and void, and therefore no ownership of shares can be transferred. Transmission of shares. Students, when transfer of ownership of a member's shares is done to his legal representative due to operation of law is called transmission of shares. It means when transfer of ownership is due to operation of law, that is legally, is automatically transferred to another person that another person is said to be nominee person, is called transmission of shares. It takes place due to death, insolvency or insane. Student, insolvency, it means insolvent. Insolvent means unable to pay debt. And insane. Insane means disordered state of mind. So, on such cases, the shares automatically get transferred to that member's nominee person. There is only one party involved, that is legal representative, and that legal representative is known as nominee person of that member. No instrument of transfer is needed, and also no stamp duty is payable. So students, transfer is by the act of the parties and transmission is by the operation of law. Thank you.